Back in 1988, we were just a very small company, 6 to 10 employees. Today we have over 80 employees. We sell all over the US into Canada, and we also do some exporting. I think the biggest difference from Sheoga from some other manufacturers is that we're known for a high quality mill. We're not the cheapest product in the market by no means, but we try to produce one, if not the best product. Probably the biggest problem was not live inventory. Orders would get put in the system. The work orders get sent to the shop, but there was no visibility. And all of a sudden the order was due and there was nothing to kind of trace it.
A lot of the data was in the past. By the time that we needed it, it was already past the time that we got it. We were overselling stuff because we didn't have the right inventory figures. Month-end reporting was a lot harder. You had to do it on the day of.
Some of the factors that were really important to Sheoga were inventory control. Also, because they make custom flooring, they had to have a really strong product configurator, so that was another factor. In the end, they decided that Acumatica and Parallel Solutions were the best fit for them.
With Acumatica, number one is true accurate data. And with going from Macola to Acumatica, there was a transition period where trust had to be earned from the staff. Over a period of time, they realized, these numbers are accurate. We can trust them.
When a kiln charge is being processed, the material is being entered into the system live. So as soon as it comes off the conveyor belt, the salesman can sell it. They know the material's there to sell.
Month-end closes, everything is right there for us. I'm able to reconcile the banks the next day.
They have great visibility now. Their staff can see where the orders are and ship everything out to the customer. Happy customers, happy company.
As far as the implementation of the software system, we had a great partner, Parallel Solutions. Their knowledge in the system, I was impressed by their availability. I know there was times that I called them on weekends, late at night. Great people, great company, great partner.
Sheoga has been our customer for quite a number of years. Parallel Solutions has been in business since 1995. We serve primarily manufacturing and distribution companies, and we have been a gold certified Acumatica partner since 2019.
If you're looking for something user-friendly and versatile, Acumatica, that's the place to go.
Our salesman does not like change. Within 2 weeks of us being live, he was in my office saying, "Oh my God, this is so great. This is so easy."
I would definitely recommend Acumatica to any small, mid-sized business that definitely needs some help with the inventory tracking and item replenishment. It has been probably the best feature for us.
Acumatica has been a huge upgrade for Sheoga, and I think that it would really benefit other manufacturing companies.